Okay. So we are having some information that I already told you, and today's is the important session that for the past 4 days you learned the basic level how to create Android apps without coding, without knowing any coding. It's all about the logical thinking. So you are having the blocks. You all know about the blocks. You can directly uh, try. You can try and you can create Android app on your own. It's depending upon you and the requirement of your students. You can do that, and you can also upload your e-content, upload your YouTubes in a single app, and you can share with them. My humble request is please disable your video. We are Please disable your video. We are going live on YouTube, and the good news is we are having a lot of student participants. We are very happy about that. Now the session is going to start. Today's session will be taken by Mr. Srinivasan, and he will be joining shortly with us. He will be joining with us shortly. And today's topic is how to upload the e-content in Play Store. So how to upload? We have created the Android app. We are having some difficulty while sharing. So if you want to share, if you want to upload in Play Store, so we are having you have to follow certain steps. So that steps will be taught today. It's very important steps, and we'll be sharing the guidance also, a PDF format, so that it will be helpful for you after the session. And you can't directly upload on Play Store. To do that, you have to create an account in Google Play Console. So that will be our learning today. I think there is some issues with the resource person. He will be joining shortly.
Aman sir?
Yes, sir. I think you have joined. Sir, your name is not coming.
Yes, sir. Universal Teachers Academy, same.
Oh, just now you joined. Okay, sir. I think you can start your session.
Okay.
Good afternoon, all. And this fifth day will be taken by Mr. Srinivasan, and he is expert in ICT, and he is from Universal Teachers Academy, Tirupattur. He has created short videos on stop motion animation, and he is going to lead the session today. Mr. Srinivasan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Very good. Very good afternoon to all. Welcome for the day 5 session. And today we are going to explore how to publish the Android apps in the Play Store. All these 4 days we learned how to create an Android application, that is APK file, all these 4 days. Now, today, let us learn how to publish our Android app in our Google Play Store. Yesterday, we had a question from one of the participants. It's a little humorous question that, sir, I have sent my APK file to my friends, but no one is willing to download it, because when they are getting downloaded, it gives some message that it may be harmful for your mobile likewise. So today, after learning this publishing in the Play Store, we won't get that problem, because directly we are going to upload our application in the Play Store. So your friends and your students, they can download your application from the Play Store. So that was today we are going to learn. Going to the session, first step, I'm going to type Play Console login in the Google. I'm going to type it. I'm just giving an enter. As soon as I gave an enter, you can see that I have logged in into my account. This is my account, Google Play Console screen. I got it. Now you can see here, I have signed in with my Google account. Step 2 is accepting the terms. Step 3 is registration and completing the account details. So now you can see here, accepting the terms. Google Play Store has some terms and conditions. So I am enabling this first option. First, I'm accepting first term. And the second term, you can see here, Google Play Console terms and service, terms of service. I'm enabling that also. After enabling this both, I'm review distribution to countries. It's not necessary. We can neglect, overgo it. And here you can see here, it's credit card. Here we have to pay a membership fees, a lifelong membership fees for the Google Play Store, so that we can upload or publish n number of applications into the Google Play Store. So it's a lifelong membership registration fees, that is, it is $25. So we have to pay that $25 so that we can upload our all the applications into the Google Play Store. Now you can see down there, it is debit card also accepted. Yes, you can pay it through credit card or you can pay it through debit card also. Using both the cards, we can pay it. And now I'm going to click on this continue payment. You can see here, this is the next screen you will get. You can pay your registration fees of $25 and you can buy for it for membership. Once again, I'm reminding, we have to pay 25 USD dollar as contribution for member. This is a permanent membership, approximately around 1000. I have given 1875. We can pay through debit card or credit card. So after giving our registration fees and all everything, we will create our own Play Console account. Now I'm going to Google. I'm typing here Google Play Console. Just clicking on the enter. You can see here Google Play Console. I'm just clicking on it. I'm getting a screen of Play Console, Google Play Console. This is the interface and Play Console screen. As I have already registered for this Google Play Console, I'm getting this option that create application. So first, when you are logging in it, you won't get this window. You will get the, as I shown in the previous, you will get the terms and conditions and all, and you have to pay it. After paying, you will get these terms. In the left, you can see that all applications, game services, some of the menus here, and down here you can see these are all the apps which have been published and removed or suspended or anything. Whatever the applications we have done here by attempting to upload it, publishing it, everything, all the history, we can see it here. This is the open first page of the Google Play Console screen. Now I'm going to click on this create application. As soon as I clicked on this application, I'm getting this language default, let it be English. I will a title. Yes, for every application, the Google Play, we know that you will also, if you want any application, you will search with the title. So we need a title. I'm giving as addition, because we have learned in day 2 addition application. So we are going to upload one of the application which we have learned in this 4 days. Now down you can see here cancel and create. I'm going to click on this create. As soon as I clicked on this create, you can see a new window has popped up, that is new screen. In this screen, you can see in the left side, all applications, dashboard, app releases, many menus has been appeared in this window. Now, here, I request now all the participants, because we have many steps to complete for before publishing this, for publishing this app in the Play Store. It has been covered with many steps. So I request all the participants to take a notepad and pen. Please make ensure that you are following all the steps one by one perfectly, because the steps you have to follow it perfectly. If you're missing one or two steps, you won't get the perfect results for uploading. So I request all the participants at this junction to make a note of it, all the steps. Now you can see here the store listing. It is in blue color because we are now in the store listing screen. So it has been in blue color, it has been selected. And next you can see that the watermark tick mark color. So it is not enabled. When we complete this full process, this tick mark will be enabled in green color. So next. So after filling all the components in the store listing, I will go to the step 2 app releases. This will be our step 2. After completing this app releases, I will get this watermark tick mark enabled in green color. Next, after app releases, I will come to this content rating. We will fill all the components in the menu of content rating, and we will enable this watermark color, watermark tick mark, that it will be enabled in green color. Next, after content rating, I will come to this pricing distribution. After pricing distribution, app content. So you can see this 5 steps: store listing 1, step 1, app releases step 2, content rating 3, pricing and distribution 4, app content 5. Only we are going to see these 5 steps. We are going to fill all the components in these 5 steps, and we are going to publish our application in the Google Play Store. So this is the left side thing. Now coming to the right side, you can see we have typed the title already. It's addition. Down you can see that it is 50 letters. It should not exceed above 50. It should be below 50. It should not exceed more than 50 letters. Now it's a short description. An application. When we go to Google Play Store, you can see that there will be some short description about us, about that application. So I'm typing an application, and Android application for the students. So this is the short description. You can see here, for short description, it should not exceed above 80 letters, more than 80 letters. Now it is full description. It will be in detail. Little bit in detail. For example, if at all, if you are uploading any games and all, you have to give them the detail, what the game related to, what is its objective, and how the students should play. You can give many features of that game application. Those things you can incorporate in this full description. Now I'm giving an addition application. Application for the students in which they can add the numbers. So I've given a small description as it is related to that addition. I've given an addition application for the students in which they can add the numbers. You can see here save draft. I'm saving this draft then and there because it won't save automatically. In APK, when you are working, if you come out also, it will save automatically. But in this application, it won't save it. So then and there, you can save your drafts. Now I'm scrolling down. Here we are coming to important aspect, graphic assets. You can see these graphic assets. Here, managing our icon, screenshots and videos related to our application, we are going to incorporate here uploading our image of the icon, screenshots, all. Here, in the first step, you can see here, icon specification. We are going to upload our icon. What is this icon? In the Google Play, you can see, for example, if you want any game or anything, you are going to type that application and you will search related to that title. You will get this inside, you will get an icon also relating to that game or any other application. You will get a icon. Likewise, we can upload an icon image for our application also. So here you can see that this is the icon we are going to upload it. When we upload it, and the icon will resemble here how it look like. So down I will show two aspects, and here it is screenshots related to our application. We are going to upload two screenshots of our application and we are going to upload here. So now I'm going scrolling little up. Now I'm going to click on this icon. First I'm going to add icon for my application. Now I'm going, as this is addition, I'm going, already I have downloaded the images for this application. I've kept it in the desktop. Now I'm clicking this add icon symbol. Just I'm opening it. Just clicking on it and opening it. You can see here, we have got a message that you need to resize your high resolution icon. The required dimension is 512 into 512. Yes. Here they have mentioned as the icon, it should be 512 into 512, and we can see here the red color uploading error has been appeared here. So now we have to resize our icon. How to resize our icon? I'll show you. You can see here, I'm removing this one. I'm opening one more tab. I'm typing here resize online image. Just resize image. I've typed it. I'm just in the first one, online image resizer. I'm going to click on it. As soon as I clicked this resize image.net, a screen has appeared. Here, the image which I want to resize it, we have to upload it here because we have to take that icon of the dimension 512 into 512. So I'm going to resize this using this online resize image.net. Now I'm going to upload the image. I'm going to upload this add icon. I'm clicking this. I have selected add icon. I'm going to open this one. Yes. I'm scrolling down. You can see the image has been uploaded here. I'm scrolling little. Here you can see the resize your image. Fourth option. I'm overgoing this first, second, third because it is of rotation. Likewise, those options are there in the first step 1, step 2, step 3. I'm directly coming to resize your image. Here I'm selecting it and I'm typing 512 into 512 and I'm disabling this keep aspect ratio, because if I enable this one, automatically the icon width will be changed here. So I'm disabling this one. You can see here it is enabled now in blue color. Now I've disabled this keep aspect ratio. I've disabled it. I've typed in the box 512 into 512 and I'm just scrolling down. You can see here seventh option, optimize your image. In this first option itself, it's resize image. There are many aspects here: compress image, compress JPEG. Likewise, I want just resize. Just I'm clicking on it. You can see here already our image is with 256 and 256. Now our new image will be in 512 into 512 pixel. Here you can see the download image. Just I'm clicking on it. You can see here the image has been downloaded. I'm just clicking on it, show in folder. It has been downloaded in the downloads option. Yes. Now, once again, I'm coming to this Google Play Console tab. I'm clicking on this icon. Here you can see the image which has been downloaded here, and just I'm clicking on it and just I'm clicking on the open. Yes, as soon as the image has uploaded, you can see here upload success and the image has been uploaded here, and how your icon will look on the Google Play. Our icon, our addition icon will look in this way. That is, the icon will be in this way and near to it there will be the title called addition. So in this way our icon will look like. Now I'm scrolling little down. As I told you earlier, there is some asterisk symbol here. You can see here also high resolution icon, a blue asterisk symbol, and screenshot and asterisk symbol. So it is mandatory to fill these columns. Where and all the asterisk symbol is there, we have to fill that components. Now we have given the title, we have given the image icon for that, and however image you will see in the Google Play at top there will be an icon, and top here you can see that this is the Google Play application. Here there is an icon, there is the text, and down you can see here two screenshot images. You can see here. This is an app which is created by our mentor, Mr. Simon Peter Paul. His application is in the Google Play, text to speech for kids. So you can see this one. Likewise, we are going to upload two screenshots. So just I'm going to click on this browse files. I'm selecting two screenshots, just clicking on it and opening from the downloads already, which has been I've taken the screenshot and I've uploaded in the uploaded in my PC. One more screenshot. Here you can see that two screenshots are required. So browse file. I'm selecting one more. One is with values and one is with empty. So two screenshots. You can see here the upload success. All the two screenshots has been uploaded. Now scrolling down, you can see here the four options: feature graphic, promo graphic, TV banner, daydream 360-degree stereoscopic image. Here only this feature graphic is with asterisk symbol. So we are not going for this three options and we have to upload here. What is this feature graphic? We can, if at all this is an addition application, it won't be many features, but in some of the applications there will be many features and you have to tell about the components of the application likewise. So in that manner, time you can upload the, you can take a PowerPoint and you can type your own features of that application and you can do it. And now, and see that the application, see that the application, so that it should be 1024 into 500. The dimension should be in this aspect. Now I'm going to add image for it, 1024 into 500. If at all, if you want the same process to get that 1024 into 500, we can go for this. Earlier I told the same way we can upload the image. Already I have that image. We can upload our image here of that screenshot, and here we can type that 24 into 500 and just clicking on this resize, we will get the resize. You can see here 1024 into 500. We can download this image also. So coming back here, I'm clicking on this feature graphic drop image here. So I'm selecting this image and I'm uploading it in here. Yes, the upload, it is success. So I'm omitting these three steps and I'm scrolling down. Promo video, it's if we have any promo videos, you can upload that URL here, and down I'm scrolling. You can see this categorization, important aspect here. Application type, what type of application types? It is applications or games. Ours is application. Just I'm clicking on it, application, and category. What is our category? Here you can see many types. Whether I can find education, yes, I've got education. You can see here education is there because addition is related to education. I want to be related with education. You can see here education is there. So I'm clicking on this education. Now I'm scrolling down. Manage tags, you can omit it. Here content rating, it is an asterisk symbol. We will let you know where we are going to do that content rating. Now I am omitting that and I'm going. If at all, if you have any blogspot or website, you can type your own blogspot and website. And now Gmail, it is mandatory. I'm going to type my Gmail ID. Phone number, it is not mandatory. You can no need to give it. If you at all you need it, if you want, you can give your phone number. So in the store pricing, you can see we have given the title, short description, full description. In graphic assets, we have uploaded the icon. We have incorporated 2 screenshots, and in feature graphic also we have uploaded an image of 1024 into 500 height, and down categorization, application types also we have done it with category education, and I am given my this thing email ID, and now I'm going to save this draft. I'm clicking this draft. See, you can see here, as I told you earlier, store listing, it was the watermark is with, it has been not enabled previously. Now you can see here our this menu has been enabled here, so that we have filled all the components in it. So now we are going to step 2, an important aspect. Please listen here. App releases. I'm clicking on this app releases. Here what we are going to do here, you can see here app releases, production track, an Android bundle app to make your available to all. Yes, we have to upload it now. When we upload it, it will be available in the Google Play Store. You can see this. It will be available in the Google Play Store. So that is called production. I'm just clicking on this manage. As soon as I click on this manage, you can see here create release. You can prepare, review, and then publish the version of your app in the Play Store. So I'm just going to click on this create release. As soon as I got it, you can see here some of the instructions here. Let Google manage and protect your app signing key, understand the benefits, providing the app signing that Google Play uses for this app. Just I'm going to click on this continue. Here, as soon as I click this continue, you can see here Android app bundles and APKs to add. So here we can add our APK file which we have already created all these 4 days. So now I'm going to click on this browse file. I think so already we have managed to download our application in the PC. Let me show you recap once again how to upload our image, application. Uploading APK, just a recapping process here. You know that this is the MIT app inventor page screen. Here we are going to click on this build, and I'm going to select this app save.apk to my computer. As soon as I clicked it, you can see this, it has been downloading. You can see that the apps has been downloading down. Now MCQ CHP max.apk, it has been downloaded. So this app will be downloaded in our downloads. Likewise, we have downloaded already the addition APK app into my PC or system. So just I'm going to click on this one and clicking this open. As soon as I clicking, you can see that the application is starting to downloading here. Yes, the app has been upload success. The app has been downloaded here. You can see that version code 1, release name 1.0. If at all you, this is automatically in default, you will get this version name. If at all you are modifying this addition app, you can give that as 2.0, 3.0. Likewise, you can change the version release name here. Down, this is HTML code here. We are getting this HTML code. And now, this HTML code, I'm deleting the pre-existing thing. I'm typing here like the same. In the description which I gave, I'm typing here, and Android app for students. See that this is HTML coding en-gb. It should be both at the beginning and the ending. It should be down. In the middle, our text should be. If at all, if you want, you can copy any text and you can paste it here also. Now you can see here Discord save. Now I'm going to click on this save, because we are now in the step 2 app releases. We are going to release our app in the Google Play Store. That is the process 2 here. So I'm going to click on the save. Yes. As soon as I clicked the save, you can see here app releases. Here the green tick mark has been enabled here. So we have completed step 1, step 2. Now I'm going to step 3. It is content rating. Just I'm going to click on this content rating. You can see here the what the process of rating, how the rating will be, everything will be explained here. What are the responsibilities of the developer, and your rating will be used, how the rating will be given, everything is instructions is here. I'm going to click on this continue. Here it is asking our mail id. I'm typing my mail id here. Once again I'm confirming the mail id. Yes, I've clicked the mail IDs. Here you can see the category type. Select your app category. The apps has been many categorized. So here, whether it is reference, news or educational, social networking, forum, blogs or UGC sharing, content aggregations, consumer stores, likewise, and games. There are 4 types of categories. Now, yes, one second. Not 4. You can see down still there are many like entertainment, utility, productivity, like many categories. Ours is educational, as we have given there in the category itself, educational. The first option is educational. I'm just going to click on it. You can see here how the rating will be given here. We have to answer the questions related to this violence, sexuality, language, controlled substance, miscellaneous. Based on these 5 topics, our applications will be rated. I will show you where it has been rated later. Now, can the app contain violent material? No, we don't have any violent material. Sexuality? No, it is not any related to that also. Language, can the app contain any offensive language? No, we are not using offensive language. Controlled substance. What is controlled? No. Illegal drugs or depictions? No. And coming to this last, miscellaneous. I'm giving everything no, because we are not using any against to this conditions. I'm going to click on this save this questionnaire. Does the app allow users to purchase digital goods? No, we are not going to promoting any aspects. Just it's an additional application for the students. So I'm just going to click on the save questionnaire. As soon as I click, you can see here calculate rating. Based on our questions, our application will be rated here. You can see here. Yes. Now we have to go for apply rating. Yes. As soon as you can see here, our content has been rated and the green symbol has been enabled. This is our rating. You can see here the 3+ symbol, 3 rating, and these are all the conditions here. I will show you already the app which is in our created by our Simon sir. You can see this ratings here. This rating 4.5 stars is given by the reviewers. Here rated for 3+. This is the rating given by the Google Play Store based on our questionnaire and our application. So we have finished 3 steps, and now we are coming for the 4th step. This is pricing and distribution. I'm clicking on this pricing and distribution. I request participants, please parallelly you take a notepad and just mention the steps which should be followed. It is very important because we have to go in a systematic way. Now, this application is free. Yes, ours is free. It is already in default. It is free. Availability of the app availability. Now it is at present you can see here unavailable countries 151, available countries 0, because it is in the available. Unavailable is enabled here. Now I'm just going to click on it. As soon as I click, you can see here available is in 151 countries. Yes, I'm just, you can see here, scrolling down, device categories. These are all, there is no asterisk symbol, Android Auto. I'm just omitting these all options. User programs, it is not mandatory. Consent, it is not mandatory. At last, you can see here, content guidelines, US export laws. Once again, I want to mention, yesterday a madam told that it is vulnerable, no one is just downloading my app. Now when you do this one, no, all the 151 countries from all over the world, they can download your application, and Google will certify you, your coding, it is not vulnerable, it is not harmful. They will give you grades. That is the difference between directly sharing to as an APK file and uploading in the Google Play Store and sharing your application. So at that time, you can feel proud that our app has been uploaded in the Google Play Store. Here you can see that last content guidelines, it is mandatory. Just I'm enabling this one. US export laws also, I'm just enabling this both, and I'm just scrolling down and I'm saving this draft. Yes, as soon as you can see here, I have done this pricing distribution. It has been enabled here. This watermark already, which has been not enabled. You can see here in app content, it is not enabled. Here it has been enabled. So we have finished all the 4 steps. Now we are coming for the important step. That is all fifth step. It is very important. Just I'm going to click on this app content. An important step here. Yes, here ads. Just I'm going to click on this one, ads. You can see here, do you want ad to this ad should be appeared in your application? I'm giving here no, I don't want any ads to be observed by the downloaders of my application. And now I'm going to give the save. I'm clicking on the save and I'm coming back. And app access, you can see here who can access it. Just I'm clicking on the app access. All functionalities available without special access, so all can access it. And I'm now clicking on the save. I've saved this also. I'm just coming back to that same menu, components. Who is our target audience? Just I'm clicking on the target audience. Here you can see here the target audience. I'm clicking 16 to 17 and 18 over, because if it is below 13, you need a private policies and all. You have to give the private policies of your application and all. So I'm just enabling this more than 16 to 17 and 18 over age group. And I'm scrolling down, policy requirements summary, and I'm now going to click on the next. Here, appeal to children. Will this application will be appealing to the children unintentionally? Yes, it will be appealing. And now I'm going to click on this next, and I'm going to save this one. Yes, this has also been enabled. Now I'm coming back to this app content. You can see here, apart from previous policies, completed ads has been completed here. The green tick mark has been enabled. App access also been enabled here. Now I'm scrolling down. Content rating is also enabled here. And target audience also been enabled here. So all the thing has been enabled. Only one thing is that private policies. Let us go inside and see, and we can come back, because our application is not for minor. Below that is the under, you can see here, if a target audience includes children under the age of 13, you have to give the private policy URL. We don't, ours is not. So I'm just coming back. Now I'm going to click on this store listing. Yes, as soon as I click the store listing, you can see the app content also enabled. So all these 5 steps All the 5 menus has been completed. All the things inside the components has been completed. The first one is store listing. Second one, app release. Based on that app release, our content has been rated. Content rating, third step. In the fourth step, we are given pricing and distribution, whether it is free or not, availability and all. And in the fifth step, app content. What type of content, whether ads should be there, and to whom that content. So likewise, all the components has been filled. All the 5 steps has been completed. And now you can see here down in the store listing. Earlier, this was not there. You can see here ready to publish a tick mark. Earlier it was not there. Now, because after filling all these 5 steps, completing this 5 process, we are getting this ready to publish. So now I'm going to click on this ready to publish. You can now publish your app by starting the rollout of the release in the manage release page. Yes, I'm going to click on this manage releases. Yes, in production, we are now in the app release. In the app release, I'm going to click on this edit release. Just scroll down. Here it is review. It will review. Our application will be reviewed by the Google Play. So I'm just going to click on this review. Our application will be reviewed, whether it is safe or not. Likewise, everything will be reviewed. And here you can see at last start rollout to production. We are going to roll out this in the Google Play Store. So just I'm going to click on it. Yes, you can see here your app will now become available to all the users of the Play Store. Do you want to confirm? If I click this confirm, our application will be rolled out in the Google Play Store. It will be available after 1 week. And we can't delete this from the Google Play Store. We can suspend it, but rather than we can't delete it from the Play Store. Once it has been rolled out, it is rolled out. That's it. We can suspend it, or that's it. We can't delete it. So as soon as you give confirm, you will get an app like this. This is the app which is, you can see here in the Google.
Srinivasan, sorry for the interruption. Can you explain the app content again?
App content,
A
sir?
small recap. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That I will do it in the total play slides, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Here you can see that kids. This is the app which is being uploaded by our Simon Peter Paul, sir. This is the text to speech. It is available in the Play Store. Likewise, you can see what is new. You can rate this application, and you can see here the reviews which has been written by our viewers, downloaders, and the rate has been given by the Google Play Store. And these are all the screenshots. Likewise, our application will also be available in the Play Store. That's it. Now, once again, I will recap the entire process through the slides. I will go to the slides, and I will just have a small recap of this entire thing. Yes, this is the title. You can see here, first we went to Google Play console, and I've signed in through my Gmail account. These are all the terms: first step, second step, third step. And here I have accepted the terms of this Google Play and Google Play console, and I came for credit card. Here I am paying for the membership, $25 for the permanent membership. It is a permanent membership for the Google Play Store. So we can upload n number of applications into the Google Play Store. I'm going to continue the payment. Here we can pay the payment here. There it is minimum, that is approximately 1,800, that is $25. We can pay through debit card or credit card. After coming this, finishing that process, we are coming once again to this Google Play console. I'm typing that, and as I've already paid, I'm getting this create application. I'm clicking on this create application. and I'm giving the title as addition with 50 letters, and short description should be 80 letters only. So I've given that description also about the addition, and the full description, it should not exceed more than 4,000 letters. So I've given that description also, and previously I have saved the draft. I told you that saving the draft will be very useful because it is an online thing. Our maybe our data that is already which we have typed, if any network issues comes gets arrived, our applications, the data already we have typed in, it will vanish. So next, I told you that icon, we need that icon. For that icon, I told we have to upload the 512 into 512, and for graphic interface 1024 into 500. So those both images should be resized using the resize image. I will show you that. You can see this icon which is going to upload here, and I will go on to this resize image, and I clicked on this resize image, and I have uploaded the image here, and I mentioned the size which we want. We can mention it that 512 into 512, and I have clicked this resize, and I got this 512 into 512 here new image, and I have downloaded this one, and it has been the downloaded. After reducing, we can see this is the image. So for feature graphic, we need an image of 1024 into 500. I have uploaded that also. Next, you can see the 2 screenshots which has been enabled in the browse file. After uploading the screenshots, we can see that this is the icon, this is the screenshots has been uploaded, and this is the feature graphic uploaded. When I coming down, you can see that application type, I have given applications, and categorized it has been education. So we have given for education. I have typed the email and mobile number. Its mobile number is not mandatory, and I have given save drafts. I have given store listing. It has been activated. After that, we want an APK file to upload in the app release. This I told you already earlier that we have to download an APK to our computer. So I've downloaded, I've clicked this build, and you can click this APK to your computer. It will be downloaded in the downloads. And now I'm going to click this step 2. It is app releases. Step 1, store listing. Step 2. In this step 2, production, clicking this production, we will get create release, and clicking on it, we can go for continue or opt out. I've clicked that continue. We can go for opt out also, no issues. You will get this browse file. If you are clicking this browse file, you can upload your APK file here. Just open it, and your application will be uploaded here to release it in the App Store. Now, as I told, this is the HTML code. You can copy or type there itself, and you can make your code to be appeared what's in the new release. After saving, you are coming to the step 3. Step 2 is over, app release is over. Step 3, content rating. As I told, click on this continue. We are going to rate our content. Continue. I'm going to give this email ID, confirming this both the email IDs. I given both the email IDs, and here referential, I'm giving this referential as education, and violence. Here the questionnaire, I'm giving here all no. Violence, no. Sexuality, no. Language, no. Controlled substance, no. All the miscellaneous, no. Everything is no. And I'm just at last I'm going to click on this calculate rating. As soon as I click on this calculate rating, the step 3 is being finished. Now coming for pricing and distribution, whether our application is free or pricing. So it is free. Already it's in default free. I'm making this application to available all the 151 countries. I'm going to click on this available, and I've enabled this guidelines as I told. Content guidelines and US export laws have been enabled, and last important, app content. This was the thing which a little bit confused, but I will explain now. Here you can see that app content. In that app content, there are 4 components like target audience, ads, content rating, and privacy policy. Four topics. This is the target audience. I've clicked it. Complete ads section. Go to ads. I've given here, you can give, if you want ads, you can give yes. And I've given no. I don't want ads. I've given no. So this is step 1. So your changes will be saved there. Now I'm coming back and I'm clicking on this manage. What is the target audience? Who is our target audience? So ad process is completed. You can see here the ad process is completed, and I'm clicking this target audience. I'm clicking this target audience. Go to app access. All functionalities available. Yes, to all it has been available. I'm enabling that one, and I'm saving the changes has been saved. And one more thing, store present target audience. Could your store listing unintentionally appeal to all the children? Yes, I'm giving yes for it. And the target audience is 16 to 17 and above, that above the age group of 16, because if it is below 13, you have to keep your privacy policy. So I'm clicking on this next, and I'm saving this one. And at last, that privacy policies, I'm clicking on it. Just nothing to type here. Just press return. We have finished all the process there. Privacy policy, ads, target audience, everything, contents, all the 4 steps has been completed. At last, you can see all these 5 steps. 5 steps has been completed, and the green tick mark has been enabled there. And now I've clicked at last, ready to publish. Manage releases, I've clicked on it, and I clicked on the edit release, and I clicked on this review because I told that our app will be reviewed by the Google Play Store. And at last click this start rollout to production. At last want to give this one, confirm our app will be rolled out within 1 week span after reviewing. We can't remove our app from the Play Store. So that's it for today's session. And one more small just a recap. You can, if you want, you can take a snapshot, and we will upload this slide presentation as a PDF to all the WhatsApp group also. Important steps, guidelines to be followed. Just a quick steps. Step 1, making payment for membership. Go to Play Console, click on create application, complete the store listing process, complete the app release process, complete the content rating process, complete the price distribution process, complete the app content process, go back to store listing process, click on the ready to publish, click on the manage releases, click on the edit release in app release, click on the review in app release, click on the rollout production, click on the confirm. So this is the all steps all together. Actually, that was there some 100 slides, more than 100 slides. Altogether, it is a 16 steps. If at all we keep the 16 steps in mind, we can publish our application in the Google Play Store. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for providing this opportunity. I thank the Universal Teachers Academy family and Mr. Simon Peter Paul sir for providing this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your wonderful session, Mr. Srinivasan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So somebody asks about the steps 1 to 7 again. Please show steps 1 to 7. 1 to 7, Mr. Srinivasan.
So this thing we can give them as a
we will share in our Blogspot.
Yes, sir. We can share it on a Blogspot and even in the WhatsApp group, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much for your wonderful session, Mr. Srinivasan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to all the participants for watching your session passionately till the end. Now we are coming to finish the spell now. We are repeatedly telling one thing. Our main goal and aim is one and only share the knowledge. We share what we know. At the same time, we also want you should also share what you know with others. That's why we are requesting you to share the app you have created so far with your friends and relatives. Then only they also have an interest to create e-content and some other things via the Universal Teachers Academy training. If you succeeded in your effort, that is the effort gained by UTA. UTA wants that only. One more thing, what we are requesting you, you should give the proper feedback in your feedback form. You have to mention what are the other things you need to train again. We have completed so far 8 spell. If you want again any spell or any component in the spell, you kindly make a note of it in our feedback form. If it is possible to give again the training, the same training, we are ready to provide the same thing. So kindly cooperate with us. Thank you very much for your wonderful journey with us. UTA is very happy for all the participants is traveling with us. Kindly share your assignment on the time. Srinivasan, is there any assignment today?
No, sir. Today it will be no assignments. 2 points to be mentioned that this actually, as many of them are asking that regarding that registration fees. Yes, if you want to upload it in the Google Play Store, definitely you have to pay the permanent registration fees of $25. It is not mandatory. We won't ask that. Actually, our Universal Teachers Academy motive, vision, and mission is to give some free online resource platforms. We won't make you compelled to pay that fees and all. We won't give you assignments likewise. Don't worry. So be happy. Today you won't be having any assignments today. Only the 4 days assignment. Please complete all the 4 days assignments, and tomorrow evening within 5 p.m. you have to complete all your assignments. That's it. And one more doubt, that whether we have to pay. I want to mention only one point here. Our NCRT CAET is conducting many yearly once ICT Mela All India Children's Festival. If you want to contest in it, there is a classification that new ICT media. If at all you can create an interesting an application for the student, you have to upload it in the Play Store, and you can send them to the NCRT, so that definitely you will getting some prizes. And if at all it is unique, if at all it caters the needs of the children, so definitely you will get some rewards and awards. So at that time you need the Play Store. Many may be having an inquiry into you that whether we are the teachers, whether we need this one. Definitely we need in the future, because as one madam, I want to mention that madam, many are stating to download our application because it may be harmful. When you open it in the Play Store, definitely it will be shared all over the world among 151 countries, and you can contest in many competitions. Now also in our UTA NCRT group, we have shared it. Our government has announced an application, a contest, so you can compete it. You can compete it. So if you want to compete, you should have an account in the Google Play Store. So you have to first roll out your application and you have to share it. That's it. Thank you very much, Shaktil sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Wait. One more thing. What are the words and examples shared in our training process are entirely our teamwork. Our team put hard work to get one and only the satisfaction, that is share our knowledge with you. So kindly cooperate with us to share the knowledge with others, your knowledge with others. That is the victory of UTA, I think. Please kindly send the feedback form, which will be shared in your WhatsApp group. Kindly mention the needs for you. Thank you, one and all. Srinivasan, shall I finish the meeting now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Officially, the meeting is closed now.